Dear friends, I am Dr. Bose, and I thought I must tell you something which is very relevant for all of us. Today is perhaps the first day I could see a lot of traffics on the road, the shops are opened up, barricades are less. People are almost started working as if they've got a new leash of life, things have normalized. No, dear friends, things have not normalized. The corona will be there, this pandemic will continue, and let me tell you, this virus, it's a very pleomorphic virus. This RNA virus, they keep changing their forms. Maybe for the last 3 months, there may be 200 varieties of RNA viruses, maybe more, roaming around the globe, and we are all susceptible. Thank God, we at this part of the world, there's not much of mortality, but it's too early to say about it. The cases are rising, but couple of things I must tell you, people. We have to learn to live with corona. We have to earn, we have to get back to your work, but we have to follow certain basic rules. The philosophy behind it, that the people who are going to come on the roads, or people, ever since the business starts picking up, you will have a lot of high density population mingle with a low density population. That means people who have been confined to the rooms, people who don't mix up with so many people, what we call the low density areas. When they mix up with the people like the daily wages people, or the people who are serving us, the support system, so they may be the source of the virus. They may not be apparently having the disease, but they what we call the asymptomatic carrier. This asymptomatic carrier does pass on the virus to the people who are not that fortunate, maybe the elderly people, people with comorbidity, people who are from low density population. So, my dear friends, a few rules you have to follow at that. First of all, if you're a professional, you have to wear a PP kit like this. You have to take double protection with the mask. You have to follow the good mask guidelines. You have to frequently follow hand washing protocols. I think at least 6 to 8 times hand washing is very important. If you are not able to wash hand with soap and water, that is ideal. Then you carry a sanitizer, which is very handy. See to it that you eat well, because your breakfast will take care of your lot of immune system. Your breakfast should be very sumptuous. You should have a lot of fresh foods, veggies, high protein in your morning. Also see to it that you start your day with a lot of seeds and other things, so that you have to keep your immune system high. Also see to it that you do a lot of exercises, because the people who are fit, those who have a good immune system, they will be able to cope up with the situation, because virus is there in different forms. There are weak viruses, there are strong viruses, there are genetically high different variety of viruses, but viruses will be looking for opportunities to get into your system. So my dear friends, if your loved ones have certain specific diseases like comorbidity, what we call the diabetes, or immune compromised, or maybe on some cardiorespiratory conditions, they should be taken care of. They should follow all these protocols. They should follow a good hygiene, they could follow a good immune system, and more importantly, since I am a respiratory care physician, this is the time the asthma patients and COPD patients and chronic cardiorespiratory patients, they go back to worse. Come to the doctor, go to the specialist, get your checkup done, adjust the inhaler doses, get all those, follow these all rules, don't smoke, and follow a good mental health and sleep well. So dear friends, my humble request to all of you, this is a time you have to really take care of yourself, because the society is slowly opening up. You have to work 360 degrees. So you have to take care of your mental health, the physical health, the emotional health, the environmental, the social health, and most importantly, the spiritual health. So my humble request to all of you, stay healthy, stay safe, and take care of you. And you have to live with the coronavirus. So do accordingly and do your best. Take care and have a great day.